Hello everyone, explorers of the cosmos and the couch. Ready for a journey that will make you say, what the hell? Well, buckle up, because today we're not going to Mars or Jupiter, but, well, technically we're going near Jupiter, but we're starting from a much closer place, the Red Sea. And the question that's already pounding in your head is, do alien life forms exist under the Red Sea? Before we dive into this underwater adventure worthy of a sci-fi movie, but it's all real, if you're new here, or even if you're a channel veteran, please subscribe, give us a big like to support science, and my terrible jokes, let's admit it, and hit that notification bell. You don't want to miss the next episode where we look for dinosaurs in your fridge, do you? Today we're talking about things that sound like they're straight out of an alien biology textbook, but which have been discovered right here on our beloved blue planet. We're talking about submarine brine pools, boiling hot, rich in gases that could host extreme life forms. Think about it, not the pool where you go for an aperitif, but a pool at 60 degrees Celsius, at the bottom of the sea, surrounded by volcanoes. Who would dare swim there? Only me, in a fireproof swimsuit and an asbestos wetsuit. But let's take a step back. What exactly is this stuff? Imagine the depths of the Red Sea, darkness, pressure, fish with little lights on their heads looking ready for a rave party. And then boom, we find these pockets of super salty water so dense that it sinks to the bottom, trapped in volcanic depressions. It's as if the sea decided to make itself an espresso, but instead of coffee, it made a concentrate of salt and carbon dioxide. And you know who lives in this cosmic espresso? Perhaps creatures that defy all logic. These brine pools have been identified near two submarine volcanoes, Hatiba and Mabahiss. Yes, they sound like the names of two Star Wars characters meeting at a bar for a sulfur mojito. These volcanoes pump out gases and minerals, creating an environment that is the marine equivalent of a spa for extremophils. The water is not only extremely salty, but also hot, about 60 degrees Celsius. In short, a nice primordial soup, but with a spicy touch. The discovery presented at the Goldschmidt Geochemistry Conference. Yes, that gathering of geochemists where excitement skyrockets when someone finds a new rock, makes us think, why is it so important? Well, these environments are so inhospitable to most life as we know it that if we find something happily swimming in them like a fish in water, or, in this case, like a bacterium in boiling broth, it means that life is much tougher and more adaptable than we think. And this brings us to Europa. No, not the continent. Europa, Jupiter's moon, the one with the icy crust and the hidden ocean underneath. The James Webb Space Telescope has already told us there's carbon dioxide down there. If life can flourish in these brine pools here on Earth, who's to say it can't do the same in a similar environment on Europa? Imagine a civilization of bacteria on Europa complaining that the water is too cold, while our Red Sea bacteria complain that it's too hot. First world alien problems, in short. But let's get back to the Red Sea. These pools are not just hot and salty, they're also rich in minerals like zinc and manganese, practically a luxury spa for microbes with heavy metal treatments. And the energy? It all comes from submarine volcanism. It's like having a personal geothermal power plant for every pool. These environments are so energy rich that they support entire biological communities, from giant bacteria. Yes, there are giant bacteria, don't imagine Godzilla, but still impressive, to polychaete worms and amphipods, which are a type of crustacean. The latter are the crucial nodes of the submarine food chain. Basically, they're the takeout food for anyone living down there. Speaking of food chains and ecosystems, if you're passionate about these hidden wonders, or simply like the idea of alien creatures having a barbecue at the bottom of the sea, leave a comment below. What's your favorite underwater creature? And what if I told you I have a special bonus for the most creative commenters? Yes, you heard right. Leave a comment and maybe, who knows, I might even make a joke about you in the next video. And if you've made it this far, you deserve applause. And another like. So, To recap, the Red Sea, submarine volcanoes, 60-degree brine pools, full of gases and minerals, hosting extreme life forms. All of this makes us think that life doesn't need perfect conditions to exist. In fact, it almost seems that the more extreme the conditions, the more life finds a way to say, "Hey, I'm here too." It's like that stubborn relative who shows up at every party, even if they're not invited, and ends up having more fun than anyone. These discoveries are crucial because they give us a clue as to where to look for life elsewhere in the solar system. If we can understand how these life forms thrive in such hostile environments here on Earth, we'll have a much more precise compass for our space missions. Instead of looking for drinking water and mild climates, we might look for submarine volcanoes and boiling brine pools. And perhaps one day we'll discover that life on Europa isn't made of little green men, but of little red worms, basking in a boiling puddle. And at that point, who would be laughing? In conclusion, the next time you go to the beach, look at the water with different eyes. It's not just a vast blue expanse, it's a universe teeming with mysteries, incredible adaptations, and potential clues about alien life. And I'm not just talking about your beach neighbors. The Red Sea, with its brine pools, is a natural laboratory that teaches us that life is an incredibly resilient and surprisingly versatile phenomenon. It's like the cat with 9 lives, but multiplied by billions of times and with a pinch of sulfur. So, the next time you think of aliens, don't just imagine UFOs and flying saucers. Imagine something tiny, happily swimming in a boiling broth, kilometers below the sea's surface. Maybe they won't greet us with an ET phone home, but they'll tell us, "Hey, it's scorching hot here, but it's awesome." If this journey into the depths of the Red Sea has thrilled you, I remind you once again to subscribe to the channel, give us a big like, and hit that notification bell. Don't miss the next video, where we'll explore the mysteries of your unmatched sock. I'm just kidding. Or maybe not. Who can say? Thanks for joining me on this bizarre and fascinating adventure. It's been a pleasure to share these scientific wonders seasoned with a bit of healthy madness. Until next time, explorers, stay crazy, stay curious.